Yes, my people, now this my machine. Oh, as soon as see this my machine like this, guys, we dey place am inside fridge. Get your own space for inside this fridge. Now see my smoothie. Now my smoothie that. Now my juice this. See my juice. 1.5 liter that. Then I don't do almost 2 liter. Yeah, because look at another one. See, I don't drink this glass full. I don't drink this one, the milk own full. So my people, if you get money dey sweet oh. Hey, money fine, money better, money good. Hey, look at my juicer. It dey rest. Rest, yeah, rest fine inside the fridge. I say make you rest. Rest, baby juice. This one too go rest. I go cover him mouth, make go rest. It fresh before go drink am. The water go. Now this machine don't bring out all this juice. This juice, oh, I just finished. As soon as they see am like this, it's still there inside. The juice too sweet. Inside here, all this juice you get banana, apple, poivre. They like we call a white man pear. Then I put a pineapple, orange, clementine, and a mandarin. So my people, everything apple they here. As soon as they see am like this, see, I know they lie. Look at the chaff where they come out. Go they remove them. Look at guys. They dismantle the mantle. See, guys, I will take this one, make syrup. Go grind them, make syrup. So now see am. This one no dey throw am. No dey throw this one. We do syrup. If una no know syrup, this kind thing wey dey drink am, you go take am like this. You go make syrup, grind and boil am. You go make syrup. So I no go throw that one. We go grind am. As soon as they see like this, we go make. I go clean the machine. Go clean the machine. Clean everything cleanable. So the thing was good, guys. Look at what I got from that one. I don't drink 1 glass already. Don't drink 1 glass. This one now the last one I remove them for year. I remove them for year. I don't regrind this one. Guys, I don't regrind this one again. So I don't pay drink some. I don't drink some one this one. This one look at. This one they